So guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can actually recharge your Bigo Diamond. I will show you three aspects where you can actually do that. So make sure to stick to the end because the best is at the end. And before you get to that, you have to follow these other procedures in the beginning that I'm going to show you that will result to the best one. Okay, so let's get into the video. Now, to recharge Bigo Diamond, we all know that if you want to recharge right now is actually very easier if your card is actually supported the Google Play Store. And if your card is actually supported the Google Play Store, you can head over to payment subscription, then you go over to payment method. Once you're inside payment method, you can add your credit card. So the one I have here is the Visa card, and it's actually linked with my Google Play payment method. It's actually a virtual card. So that's what I'm using. Now, if yours is not linking and you don't have any other alternative to actually buy your Bigo Diamond, that will result into the next step. So let's move to the step two. Since step two now, for you to recharge your Bigo Diamonds, you have to go to this site called Bigo Live. So I'm going to leave the link to this place into in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to it. So what you do is when you log in into this site, it will ask you to log in, okay, automatically. So you are going to log in using your app, or you can choose to log in using your Bigo ID. Once you have logged in into this site, it will show you to this place, fast recharge. It will show you your Bigo ID and to show you the recharge method that you can actually choose to use. You can use your card bank transfer, and you can use debit card or credit card. Okay, so in this case, you can choose which one you want to use to get your Bigo Diamond. So in my case, I'm going to suggest you should use either bank transfer or CodaShop. So if you are from other region of the world, you can actually go for any other option that is there that you think it actually supports your region. But for my own recommendation, I would prefer you use CodaShop or bank transfer if your debit card is not going. But if you would like to try your debit card in this site, yes, I will actually advise you to go on. Now, once you have done that, you click on CodaShop. It will ask you to enter your payment card code. So from this payment card code, it will lead you to number three. That is the step three of this video. You are going to go to this site called app.codashop.com. App.codashop.com. So once you are in app.codashop.com, you are going to select Bigo as the part of payments that you want to make. It is right there in app.codashop.com. Once you are inside it, you are going to select how many diamond do you want. So we have the range of diamond here. We have 235, 471 diamond, 1178, 2360. So you select one that you actually need. You can buy multiples of it. So once you select it, you can choose the payment method you actually want to buy from. Okay, you can pay through Paga, you can pay through bank transfer, you can pay through Visa or Mastercard. Valve is not available, so make sure you know that. Once you have that, you can actually buy it from here. And once you buy it, you'll be sent an email with your code, your Bigo payment code. So that payment card code they send you in your email is actually what you're going to place inside here. Okay, it is what you're going to place inside there. Once you place it here, you now click on submit. Bigo will verify it for you. So if you don't get that last part, I can show you a screenshot of it. I'm going to leave a link to this image in the description below so that you can actually check the step out. So once you are into CodaShop, you select your Bigo Live, you select the amount that you want to buy, you select your payment method. Once you have proceeded your payment method and you have paid, that is step two, three, four, five is all payment paying. Then from step six, it actually shows the code right here. You can see the code. The a code like this type will be sent to your email. Then from your email, you copy the code and you now paste it on the payment card code that it show on that site, then you'll be able to um buy your Bigo Diamond. So it will be very easier. And if you think this process is actually very long for you, you can actually use the bank transfer or the debit card or credit card option. Which one works for you best? So that is it about this video, and thank you for watching. And if you want like to support us with this, we would like to support us. Are we be happy if you use the super thanks option. Use the super text also to actually support the channel. Your donation to this channel will actually go a long way, and will actually help us out to create more videos like this for you guys in the future. Thank you guys. So see you in the next video.